You scared? Yeah, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing team, and if you're new here, welcome. Business is good. It's great. Yeah. Got the lot filled up. Real nice. Burn Automotive and Performance. Give you guys a little update on the truck. It's right here. Oh, there he goes. That's the burn unit. Right there. Oh, here he comes. He's seen him. Wow. I think the truck needs a slight detail. A slight detail. And an engine still. Slight detail, a little buff, a little spit shine. We'll be good to go. We'll be good to go. A little spit shine. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, you don't miss it until you don't have it anymore. Kind of miss it. Yeah. Veteran. This truck is a veteran. Veteran of the game. Yeah, that's where she at right now. The inside clean though, I promise. Inside is mint. Try to look inside. If we can look inside. And my other truck's over there. I didn't walk here. Okay? How do we do this? I got my young man over here. All right, showing him the things he's gonna inherit. All right, it's clean. Woo, it's clean in there. Yeah, Billy. Yeah, pretty cool. See it right there. Here he comes, back from a test drive. I think it was successful. Yeah, getting it. Burn Automotive and Performance, Las Vegas. Yeah, this is the place to go. Regular maintenance, performance mods, all right, dyno tuning. Oh yeah, baby. Hot damn, hell yeah. Get some. Hell yeah. Burn Automotive and Performance. Taking them Texas customers. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Let's go check that out. There it is. There it is. October right there. That's what, how comes I didn't see that?
I got you.
How comes I didn't see that?
You figured it out?
Now I see it. There we go. That's pretty cool little shit deal right there. Yeah. Kind of forward. Yeah, there we go. Man, I think that's hot. I like them headlights. Sweet, right? You like that, huh? I like that. You like that? You like that, buddy? Yep. I like it. There you go. Yep. Remember, we used to have one. Mom used to have one of these. are. There it is right there. Burn Automotive and Performance. Yeah, buddy. Coming in hot. Wait, hold on a minute. Hot damn, hell yeah. Get some. Alright, get some. Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm on Losee Road right now. Craig is right ahead of me. Burn Auto and Performance. Yeah, this is the place to go right here. 4130 Losee Road. Yeah, buddy. After hours, key drop-offs right there. Look at that. Look at that. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. It's a lot of cars and trucks. Yeah, buddy. Hot damn, hell yeah, y'all the baddest. Get some.